Apps keep crashing after the Android 17 update, whether an app closes instantly, freezes, or won't open at all. Don't worry, I will show you the most effective fixes and hopefully one of them will get your apps working like again. So first open settings, go to apps and select the app that's crashing. Tap storage and cache, then clear cache. If the issue is still there, tap clear storage or clear data. Just keep in mind this may sign you out of the app. Next, you have to try by restart your phone. So you just have to press and hold the power button and go for restart. If it's still crashing, open settings, go to storage and make sure your phone has enough free storage. Low storage is one of the most common reasons apps crashing on Android. Delete duplicate photos, large files, old videos, or apps you no longer use. After that, don't forget to empty the trash or recycle bin to free up the space completely. If that still doesn't fix the problem, tap and hold the app, then select uninstall and confirm. Now wait for a few seconds, then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. This replaces any corrupted apps files and often fixes the issue. And see, your problem will be fixed. Hopefully one of these fixes solve the problem. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till then.